Every day here at KMTV, we're shining a light on a business or a nonprofit that continues to serve our community during this pandemic. Today, Maya Signs checks out Sanders Family Dental.
If you're in need of a dentist, Sanders Family Dental near 168th and Cornhusker Road is open.
I can see patients from 2 to 102, and we're really family oriented, try to make sure that we can see patients of all ages and every family member. We do everything from root canals to routine cleanings to implant placement, all of the above. We try to do that here.
During the pandemic, they were forced to close for 6 weeks.
I was here for dental emergencies, so we'd see 1 or 2 patients a day that had a toothache or an abscessed tooth, some acute pain that we wanted to keep them out of the emergency room.
But the remaining of his 8 staff members were furloughed during that time. They reopened for all business 4 weeks ago and have made some changes.
One of the major changes that we've made is we're doing an electronic questionnaire before the patients get here. So they'll fill out a screening questionnaire asking them things like if they've traveled outside of the state, if they have a cough, if a fever, if they're in dental pain. We want to know that too, though. The other things we're doing is we're checking a temperature on all patients when they walk in the door. We're also checking our staff's temperature every day and going through kind of a staff questionnaire to make sure everybody here is healthy and safe.
And wearing protective equipment to protect against aerosols.
All the providers are wearing masks and safety glasses at all times, or loops. Sometimes if we're doing a procedure that's going to cause a lot of splatter or things that might spray, we will wear a face shield on top of all that just to keep our face protected.
They're also practicing social distancing.
No staff members are supposed to go on a break together. We're trying to minimize the amount of people in the waiting room. So we're asking patients not bring a guest with them unless they're accompanying a minor. And we're trying to seat patients as soon as they get here.
Sanders says they were already doing what he felt was above and beyond sterilization procedures and infection control. So they're continuing wiping down surfaces, sterilizing equipment, and using disposables when appropriate. Sanders adds some dentists are using hydrogen peroxide or other mouth rinses before treating patients. He says they're typically used before oral surgery.
There's a lot of germs in the mouth that are not just coronavirus germs. There's lots of germs all over. So anytime we're using mouth rinses, it's not a bad idea.
So if you're delaying a visit to the dentist, Sanders says you shouldn't worry.
The dentist is used to being in your oral cavity where there's lots of germs and lots of bugs that not many people want to be around. So we're already kind of preparing ourselves, or we're already prepared for this type of situation. I wouldn't be afraid to go into a dental office or a doctor's office for that matter, because those are the specialists. They know what they're doing when it comes to infection control, and I feel very confident that the providers here in our state are doing a wonderful job of keeping the population safe.
In Omaha, Maya Signs, 3 News Now.
Once again, Sanders Family Dental is located at 168th and Cornhusker. It's open Monday through Friday. Hours are listed right there on the screen, and you can find more information about it and other open businesses on our webpage under a special section called We're Open Omaha.